Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Coin Wallet. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this cryptocurrency platform. So to get started, Coin Wallet is a multi-currency, non-custodian crypto wallet that supports major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoin and tokens. It offers cross-platform access, private key control, and built-in option for buying and swapping cryptos, making it convenient for users who want control and flexibility. However, Coin Wallet has released or raised some trust concern. Users have reported issues like frozen balance, difficulties accessing funds, and bug during update. While it has useful features and strong encryption, you should approach it with caution in 2025, especially if you are storing a large amount of cryptos. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform. And that's it.